They really don't require a lot of maintenance. If you use this, what I call gun milk, 5 to 10 drops, however you want, before you load up with your magazine. Every time you load a magazine, use 5 to 10 drops. It lubes it, it cools it, cleans it. There's really no reason to take it apart. These are designed to be maintained without any real effort other than just shooting them with the proper conditions. Machine guns, I would say unequivocally, no. They're not designed for that. They don't require that. And machine gun suppressors are not really, I don't think, required. People shooting machine guns generally have a very definite purpose in mind, and they don't care about the noise. Some people say that it makes a shot more accurate. If the suppressor is properly made, as these are, everything's lined up axially as closely as they can be within a couple of 3-4 thousandths of an inch. They probably they'll probably increase accuracy, let's put it that way. These are generally half the price. It doesn't mean they're cheap, it just means they're inexpensive. This one here is $125 to manufacture, and you have to add $100 for the gun store. Everything here you have to add $100 to the gun store. These are $285 for us to manufacture. Add $100 for the gun shop, plus $200 to ATF. You've got to remember that. Same thing with the 45. The big boy here, believe it or not, is less money. It's $250. So you have to add $100 to that approximately. So $350 out of the gun store. Generally, these run half the cost of equivalent suppressors by other manufacturers. There is a shop in Rockville called Engage Armament, and they have our suppressors in there to sell, and you can give them a call and get a price and make a purchase if you want, or you could send in your local gun shop and have them send us, the manufacturer, the license and the stamp from ATF, and we'll trade our paperwork and fill out the Form 4 and transfer it to your store. I think it's time now to go out and give these a try and see how they perform.